What you got, Liv? No phone? Is that a crocodile phone? Huh? Oh, thank you. Oh, is it for me? Hello? Hello? You want to talk to Livia? It's for you. Livy, it's for you. There. Hi, Ariana. Is that a bee?
Hello.
Nick, don't take her phone. She's playing with it.
Hello.
There's other phones.
Oh,
Nicholas, don't do it.
go, Livia.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for the huggies. Oh, I get huggies from Livia.
Livia. Hello. A chocolate? A chocolate, Livia? Chocolate, Livia?
Yeah, they're talking to Livia.
Yeah.
No, she's playing with it.
A baby on.
Nicholas, you have thousands of other toys. Livia, no hitting. No hitting. Nick. Chomp, chomp, chomp. What was that? Hello. Oh, here's the crackhead Joe. Of course, look, he's mesmerized. Oh my. Anyway. Hi, baby. Ariana.
What?
What are you doing? What's that? Oh, what is that? It's a bee. What are you doing?
Livia.
Olivia, that's right.
Livia.
And Ariana, see her? No, we don't play in there. That's Olivia's seat.
Baby.
Yes, you do. Be very afraid. Be very afraid of this. Oh, no, it's not. This is not okay. Ay, ay, ay. She can dance too. Stop it. Quit being bossy, Nick.
I know.